Hello everyone, this is our EquiTalks series and we are already on our EquiTalks episode number 116. Today is March 20, 2020, Friday. This is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. In today's 116th episode, I will be talking about my analysis with recommendations for Ayala Corporation with a stock code of AC. So let's start with my technical analysis before we deep dive into my recommendations. Regardless whether you already have a position or you're yet to do a test buy on Ayala Corporation. Okay? So as of the closing bell on Friday, March 20, Ayala Corp closed at 410 pesos per share. Gladly, it went up by 4.06%. And today's total turnover value reached around 370 million pesos. And unsurprisingly, the foreign traders were the main drivers for today's total turnover value. Nonetheless, these foreign fundies are net sellers today, and it's important that we monitor their participation because they have significant or active participation in trading Ayala Corporation. Year to date, they are also net sellers. So as we can see on this chart, the immediate support of Ayala Corporation is pegged near 400 pesos per share, while resistance is pegged near 510. Because the last candlestick is still red and it's still trading below the 10 SMA, that makes a bearish 10 MACD. And also with the historical volatility score that's higher than 100%, that makes Ayala Corp an extremely high risk level as far as my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market is concerned. And speaking of which, that is our online stock market course, which you will learn and you can watch it when you subscribe to Equilyst Analytics. Later on, after this discussion, I'm going to give you an idea on how to subscribe to our online stock market subscription service. But first things first, I'd like to talk more about the chart of Ayala Corp. Do we have a confirmed buy signal for this stock? Unfortunately, there's no confirmed buy signal yet. Here at Equilyst Analytics, for us to have a confirmed buy signal, two things must be bullish. And what are those two things? Number one, the 10 MACD must be bullish and the momentum power indicator is also bullish. In this case, the 10 MACD is already bearish. So even if, let's say we will get a bullish momentum power indicator, will we still get a buy signal confirmation? No. Those two indicators must be bullish, the two of them, not just either. So as early as now, I'm telling you that the momentum power indicator of Ayala Corporation is also bearish because of this red volume bar that is higher than the 50% of Ayala Corporation's 10-day volume average. And besides, the volume weighted average price of Ayala Corporation ended at 416.57, which is higher than the last price. Ideally, the VWAP should be lower than the last price. And the dominant range is also closer to the intraday low than the intraday high. That's another reason why we have a bearish momentum power indicator. And you know what that means? There is no buy signal confirmation yet for Ayala Corporation. And let's take a look at the true market sentiment. It's a neutral true market sentiment, which means there's still a tug of war between the bears and the bulls. So since the 10 MACD and momentum power indicator are both bearish, I would say that the downtrend is still more likely to continue for Ayala Corporation. So here's my recommendation. If you still have or if you already have Ayala Corporation in your portfolio, and with the assumption that your trailing stop is still intact, I would recommend that you hold your position. But again, let me re-emphasize it. It is under the assumption that your trailing stop is intact. Otherwise, it's a completely different discussion. Because I'm going to ask you, why do you still have this stock if it's already trading below your trailing stop? Okay, it's only you can answer that question, because it doesn't make sense. It's not logical if you are holding a stock if you know that it's already trading below your trailing stop, which is below your tolerable risk. Okay, so again, under the assumption that your trailing stop is still intact, I would recommend that you hold your position and take note, it's an and reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop. Why? Because the downtrend is more than likely to continue. Now, if you don't have Ayala Corporation, it's best that you keep your buying power uh, later on. You might be able to use that once there's a buy signal confirmation, but not now. Okay? Not now. So that's my recommendation, and that's my analysis and recommendation for Ayala Corporation. You've already heard my data-driven sentiment for this index or blue chip company. Now, a while back, I was talking about our stock market subscription service. If you'd like to know how to subscribe, you'll just have to visit equilyst.com/subscribe, or simply click the subscribe option on our website. And then on that page, you will see this option. I would recommend that you read everything from top to bottom, from the first letter to the very last punctuation mark at the bottom, so that you will know what you will exactly get even before you pay for your subscription. There are 6 things that you will get when you subscribe. Number 1, you will have access to my online stock market course. This is the exact same seminar that I conducted in person last year. So no need to travel, no need to wake up early. You will hear the exact same topics or lessons that I was teaching in person back then. This is the evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. Okay? Then number 2, you will get access to our investment guide for long-term investing. We monitor all 30 blue chip companies. You will know which of them have a confirmed buy signal and at which price it is logical to buy more shares or to do a test buy. Number 3, you will get access to our uh, 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 daily report for short-term trading. It has 10 trade ideas. Okay, it's a daily report. And number 4, you will be able to ask questions, request for our analysis in our private clients forum. And number 5, you will be eligible to our Learn to Earn affiliate program. That means you can submit your analysis in our private clients forum. I will personally check if it's really on point already in accordance to our evergreen strategy. If it's really that good, and if you would permit us, we're going to publish it on our websites. Okay? With your picture, with your byline, with your affiliate link. That way, because I know you're going to share it, when someone subscribes to us through your affiliate link, you will get a commission, 20% commission. And number 6, you will be able to open a free online stockbrokers account and have access to FirstMetroSec PRO, the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines today. And these are all from First Metro Securities Brokerage Corporation. So those are the 6 inclusions that you will get when you subscribe to our stock market subscription service. And on the subscribe page, you will be able to read our customers' testimonials or reviews as well. All right, so go to equilyst.com/subscribe, and payment options are down at the bottom. Okay, and I'd like to take this opportunity as well to introduce to you our online public free library, stock market library. Just go to equilyst.com/library, or simply click the library option on our website, so you can read our news, read our analysis, listen to our podcasts, watch our videos, use our calculators, access our word bank. You can type any stock market terminology here if you'd like to know what it means, and some bonus articles or strategies on the strategies and more tab. And at the bottom, you will be able to sign up to our free newsletter. Sign up while it's free, okay? And follow us on all of our social media accounts. Just go to the description box down below. If you're listening to this podcast on SoundCloud or if you're watching this video on YouTube, there are links to our social media accounts at the bottom. This way, when we publish a new episode, you not only will you get an email notification, but you'll also be notified through your favorite social media account. So equilyst.com/library. So I hope you've learned something. You have some takeaways from this EquiTalks episode number 116 about Ayala Corporation. Again, my name is JC De Guzman, and if you have some questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.